A Texas appeals court has just rejected a lower court order that was temporarily blocking the execution of a Texas man. Hello, everybody. I'm Heather Hayes.
And I'm Blake Hansen. It is 9 o'clock. Robert Roberson was due to be executed earlier this evening in a case that has drawn national attention. In an extraordinary move, a bipartisan group of lawmakers subpoenaed Roberson as a witness, an attempt to thwart the execution. A judge sided with those lawmakers, temporarily putting the execution on hold, but that order was just thrown out. Now there are only a couple options left. Fox 4's Peyton Yeager is following this developing story. Peyton?
Blake, this really has been back and forth going into the 9 o'clock hour. Now, Robert Roberson's execution was set for 6 p.m. this evening. It was ultimately delayed after a Travis County judge issued a temporary restraining order late this afternoon. But within the last hour, we learned the Court of Criminal Appeals overruled the restraining order, allowing the execution to continue. Now, Representative Joe Moody's office just confirmed to me over the phone they're making one last effort, hoping the Supreme Court of Texas will take their side. And now we're waiting to see if the Supreme Court of Texas weighs in or if Governor Abbott weighs in. So far, no word from either, and the clock is ticking. 57-year-old Robert Roberson was convicted in 2002 of killing his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki Curtis. Roberson took her to an emergency room where she was diagnosed with shaken baby syndrome. Roberson's attorneys challenged that diagnosis, calling it, quote, junk science, saying Nikki died from natural causes, likely undiagnosed pneumonia. A coalition of lawmakers and the lead detective on the case have argued the science supporting Roberson's death sentence doesn't hold up. Right now in Huntsville, demonstrators, lawmakers, and family of Robert Roberson are waiting. Ultimately, this delay happened because that group of lawmakers tried a unique move, issuing a subpoena for Roberson to testify before a committee.
The Texas legislature needs to hear from Robert directly. We need to know if our junk science bills are being implemented. There's a hearing scheduled for Monday. He is a key witness to that hearing, and we need him there for that. What I'm concerned about, though, is why is it taking this long for the governor to act? Why have the courts not taken this case up? I think if you review the evidence, it's clear that this is an innocent man. There's way too much shadow of a doubt.
Now, we've been following this all day. So around 4:30 p.m., less than 2 hours before Roberson was due to be killed by lethal injection, that Travis County judge sided with lawmakers and seemingly blocked the execution because of the subpoena. But then the Attorney General's office appealed that ruling. During that hearing this afternoon before the judge, the Assistant Attorney General present made it clear they were moving as quickly as possible to get that appeal moving. Now, this evening, I spoke with Attorney Clint Broden. He's represented people on death row, and he offered his reaction on the House Committee's Hail Mary.
So there's always a flurry of litigation sort of leading up to and the day of the execution. This is a little unusual because of the procedural posture with the court in Travis County in Austin granting a stay based on the group of legislators going in and asking for a stay of the execution.
And just minutes after the Travis County judge issued that temporary restraining order, the U.S. Supreme Court declined to halt the execution, but it did urge Governor Greg Abbott to issue a 30-day delay. So far, no word from Governor Abbott. Right now, Abbott is probably Roberson's last hope. The prison system can wait around until 11:30 this evening to execute Roberson, and it just appears prison officials are waiting to see how this plays out in court as we move later into this evening. Blake and Heather, we will continue to monitor this. Back to y'all.
All right, Peyton Yeager, thank you.